Hey everybody, Scrubfest IV is coming up, and I asked one of my sons to go ahead and make a trailer promoting it. So without further ado, here is the trailer. Okay. All right, it might have been oversold a little bit, but if you are into food forests, seed saving, growing your own food, this is the event to be at. The amount of plants that are going to be there is just totally ridiculous. It's an awesome exclusive plant sale with a lot of excellent information and ways to beat analysis paralysis. This is the food forest event of the year, and I totally want you all to be there. So click the link below, sign up right now, get your tickets, and I will see you on October 11th at Scrubfest IV. And I can't promise alligators or bikes or scuba diving, but if you like food forest plants and you need inspiration, just show up. It's awesome. It's a great event, and I look forward to seeing you there.